Hello, today I will show you how to check your battery health with the Ampere app on OPPO A2. First, we'll need to download the Ampere app, so go into the Play Store. While in Play Store, tap on the search box and type in Ampere. I'm sorry. Here it is. Then simply tap install. Now wait for the installation to complete. And when it is done, tap open. Now you will be prompted to consent to some forms. I recommend to tap no thank you. Tap close. Here is how to navigate in the Ampere app. We can tap OK. And that's it. Because here is your battery health and all other information about your battery that you will ever need. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe. And that's it.